So okay guys, today we're gonna be playing Car Rush 2 Physics Simulator. I've never played this game before, so I don't know what I should do. So let's get started. Let's get started. What should I do? Dealership. We are going to this van kind of ugly. If it's blue, I can do that. I can't turn it blue, seriously. Does it have super speed? This car is ugly, I told you it's weak. To the dealership, we gotta get richer. How about this car? It's red. No, I want it to be blue. Seriously can't make it blue. And it's ugly as well. Let's see how fast it can go. Whoa, electric incident. Oh, buttons have a max back too. It should be about here. Look, button off. This looks good. Let's grab that and click. Unlock free when you earn more money. This is your next target. Get that ugly car. This ugly, stupid car. I think I'm gonna drive Vanzilla. So Vanzilla should be this fast. Honestly, Vanzilla was faster than the red car. I'm driving on the wrong side of the road as well. Off-roading. That horn is really bad. can't go any faster. So this car can't go any faster, really? Okay guys, so let's see it back. I like the blue, no I mean the white and red thing on the side. It makes it really like a race truck. This is kind of better than driving Empire because it has more graphics, and if you crash your car get destroyed. Over the log. Seriously, you can't drive over a stupid log. This bloody car can't go any faster. I'm a kid, so I won't push bad words. I said bloody instead. I will not curse a bad word. Now it's picking up full speed. So it's leaving me here all alone. $149. Not bad, but I say I can get something better. So where can I destroy this car? This car kinda looks ugly. But I'm going to destroy it. That gave me a lot of parts. Where else can I destroy this car? It has been how much minutes? 9 minutes and 19 seconds. Yeah, with extra car parts. I want to do something like this. going as fast as I'm really pushing the engine right now. It goes in 140 miles. This car is really giving me a pain. Let's see how fast this car can go up here. I'm gonna get about 450,000 Robux in 2026 December 24th. Close to my birthday. It's close to my birthday. So guys, I'll have Robux to perform for you. So you see me spend, no, I won't spend my Robux. I'll still do things legitly. Unless it's hard on the game. Means pay to win. So I'm gonna pay to win. No, I'm gonna make a video when I prank my friends and pay to win. I know where I could go. Don't worry, I can go with him. Why is this so hard? Angel of darkness, angel of darkness, angel Okay guys, so I'm gonna be ending the game at 14 minutes and 37 seconds. Okay guys, time to go.